Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hair tutorial. I have been obsessed with wearing my hair like this lately, and I've been posting on Instagram, and a lot of you guys have been asking me how I got my hair like this. Did I use like a body waver or like those big like waver styling tools? How did I do my hair? And actually I've been doing my hair like this with a straightener. I have been literally obsessed with it. I first came across this like hair tutorial on TikTok. I don't remember the exact TikTok that I watched, that I saw some girl do her hair like this with the straightener. But if you guys have a TikTok, you should definitely follow me. I'm on there. I love it. It's so much fun to create videos on TikTok as well as watch TikTok videos. I'm obsessed. So I got this hair tutorial from there, and it's super easy. Anyone could do this if you have a straightener, which I'm pretty sure like 99% of girls have a straightener. So I definitely think this is a really cute look, hairstyle to try out, and yeah, it's very easy. I used a few products only as well to kind of give this finishing like very tousled beachy wave look. I find what works best with this hairstyle is if I do second day or third day hair. So I like my hair to have a little bit of like grit wear to it, I guess you can say. I find that the waves last a little bit longer and it looks more beachy, tousled, like you just came from the ocean look. We love that. So I really do like this. I think it's going to be a really cute and popular hairstyle for the spring and summer. So I'm trying to rush spring. Like, let's go spring, get here. Winter, get out of here. We need to close that chapter of winter and move on to spring and summer because I'm ready for it. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got my hair to look like this, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. First, I am going to just kind of part my hair however I want it to be. Basically, however it like naturally falls that day, that's kind of what I work with. I'm going to take my wet brush and I'm just going to brush my hair out to make sure there's no tangles. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and turn on my straightener. This is the Infinity Pro Conair straightener. I'm going to turn up the temperature. This goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have very like thick, coarser hair, so I like to use the 400 degrees to, I usually use 375 to 400. So we're going to go ahead and put that on and let that warm up. It warms up fairly quickly. Next, what I'm going to do is section off my hair. So I usually take from the tops of my ears like this, and then I go ahead and I clip everything else up with one of these little black clips, and I just clip my hair up like that. I then just take the two sections and split them in half, and I'm just gonna brush them again before we get started. Okay, so basically this is like super easy. I see all the time people doing the waves or getting like those beachy waves by using the big like waver, and I have one of those and I love that look. I think it's beautiful, but sometimes not all of us have that waver. So in a way that you guys can use a straightener, and I actually think I like the look a little bit better. I love the look of like a straighter end and then a wave. So I saw this on TikTok like a few times and then I was obsessed and instantly hooked. I am obsessed with TikTok. You guys should follow me on it. It's just Steph Carollo. Definitely follow me there. I'm obsessed with TikTok. Oh, I haven't had Starbucks in so long, you guys. So good. I'm going to take a section of hair. I like to work from back to front. So I'm going to take a section about this thick. It's not too thick. Obviously I have a lot of hair, so if you don't have a lot of hair, this probably won't take you as long to do, but my hair always takes forever. So basically what we're doing with the straightener is we're taking it and we're going like this all the way down and then straight at the ends. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to start going like this, move down a little bit in the opposite direction, down a little bit more, and then I'm going to get to this part and I'm just going to go straight. And then I will show you guys what it looks like. So basically you're getting that wave, if you guys can see it. Like, look how cute it is. It's nice and straight at the end, but you get the wave. I recently just cut my hair, you guys. I cut off about 4 inches, so it's still pretty long, but it's definitely short for me. But I really like the length. It's super cute. So This works literally with all hair lengths. Like, you can do it. It takes me a little bit longer when my hair was really long, but it's literally the same process. So all we're gonna do is just, like I said, just move it. Now, depending on how wavy you want the pieces to be, you can, you know, do it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, like hold it there a little bit, and it just gives you a wave. And they're each going to be kind of different, which I like. I've been getting so many questions about how I do this, so today was the day I was going to film it for you guys. I find the waves come out better when you don't use as thick of a piece of hair. So I like to use thinner pieces. Now, like I said, I have a lot of hair, so this takes me a little bit of time. But if your hair is a lot thinner or it's shorter, this will like be really, really quick for you. It's so simple, you guys. I kind of like to flatten out the top parts a little bit because I have a little bit of flyaways here. So I just kind of like to flatten those out first, and then I go in with doing the wave. Just like that. And if there's like a piece that you think needs to be like redone, just go ahead, go back and do the same process. And just like that. And then you have some really loose waves, and they're just so cute, you guys. Like, I love it. Same process. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my hair. I'm going to speed through it, and then I'll show you guys the final few steps. So this is what it looks like after we're done. It's a little bit crazy right now and looks kind of like very full, like beachy waves. Once this kind of sets a little bit more and we add some product, the hair kind of seems to tame a little bit. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this works best for me on second day hair because there's a little bit more to the hair. So what I'm first going to do at the end after I styled it, I'm going to take some of this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. It's just like for dry hair. So I like to take this at my ends. I like to spray it, and then I just kind of run it through the ends of my hair. And it just kind of gives it that shine and hydration that we want, so that it looks a little bit healthier. Like I said, since this is a second day hair, we're gonna use some dry shampoo. This is the Equate Beauty. It's like the Walmart brand of dry shampoo. I actually like this better than Batiste. I find that Batiste makes my scalp very dry, so I don't really like that dry shampoo. So I'm gonna shake this up, and I'm just going to take my hair and flip it to one side. Spray. I kind of break it again. Spray again, the top. I like to spray. Do the same thing on this side. Spray, spray, and then I'm going to do the back. Same thing, I bring it forward and I spray. Flip it over and I massage my scalp. This is going to give us really nice volume up at the top, and as well as take away all of that oil and just like a little bit of, I like to spray here as well, because can't forget about the side parts. Okay, So once we do the dry shampoo, you guys can see how much fuller it looks. If you want to tease at the root, you can. I just don't tease. I don't really like teasing my hair. It doesn't stay anyway, so I just kind of like leave it. The last step that I do to add that final little bit of texture, you got it on clearance at Target. It's the Nexus Airlift Dry Texture Finishing Spray. So I am going to shake this a little bit. And I'm going to spray my hair with this. This is just, like I said, it's a finishing spray. I just spray a little bit of that because I don't want to put too much product in my hair. And I just kind of like take my hair and like toss it a little bit. And if you feel that you've lost some of the waves, all you have to do is just go back in with your straightener and just kind of reform those areas a little bit that were... Actually turn my straightener off. I don't put it at that high of a heat setting. When I go back, I kind of turn it down a little bit. And I'm just going through the sections again that I feel like need just a little bit more oomph to them. If you need to touch it up, you can, like I said, but it pretty much stays kind of like this for the whole day, and I just love the final result of it. I think it's just really cute, nice and beachy, perfect for the spring and summer. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys are interested in this makeup tutorial, I filmed a get ready with me video today that it's going to be up after this video probably, or maybe 2 videos after this. I'm not exactly sure the arrangement of videos that I'm going to be uploading, so this look will be coming if it's not already on my channel. And yeah, I'm loving it. I used the new Jaclyn Hill palette, so if you guys are interested in my first impressions on that, definitely stay tuned for that video. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Stay updated with me on all of my social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I love interacting with you guys over there. And that is it. So I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye guys.